A jump to Lightspeed Carbonite Edition booster has surfaced at Outpost 53, a rare find, pulled from the hyperlanes and frozen solid, carrying whatever treasures managed to survive the deep freeze. Carbonite cargo like this doesn't come cheap, and it doesn't come often. Our leader for the pack, Admiral Holdo, we're not alone. Techno Union Transport. Out the airlock. Twin laser turret. Tantive 4. Frisk. Luke Skywalker with a great card ability. Phantom 2. Amazing. We have a Prestige Foil Hound's Tooth with a great ability also. Onyx Squadron Brute. Prepare for takeoff. Black Squadron Scout Wing. U-Wing Lander. Shuttle ST-149. Focus Fire. And to finish, we've a great BB-8 card and a holo foil.